Hey guys, so today's look is inspired by this picture right here. I will leave this girl's information down in the bottom bar. Make sure you go to Instagram and follow her. She's amazing. But first I'm going to start off with my Carroty Matte palette, and I'm going to go in with this yellow color Tweety, and I'm first going to put that all over my crease as my transition color, making sure to really buff it in. Then I'm going to go into my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be taking the orangey yellow color right here, and I'm just going to place that right on top of that Tweety color, making sure to really marry these two colors together. Then of course I go in with a big fluffy brush. This has no other product on it, it's clean, and I just make sure to blend out those edges. Then I'm going to go back into the Carroty palette. I'm going to take the color Vegas, which is this really nice orange color, and I'm going to place that a little bit lower than the transition color, but I'm still going to be blending it in, making sure again that these colors are truly married together and they blend seamlessly, but you still want that yellow color to show through at the top. Alright, now for the fun part. I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm going to be taking a Tarte Shape Tape in Light on a very small concealer brush, and I'm going to be carving out my lid and making sure that the crease is nice and crisp. I go a little bit higher than my normal crease line and just fill that in with concealer. And then I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be taking that dark royal blue color. I think it's called Twerk, and I'm going to be putting that in the very inner corner of my eye and the very outer corner of my eye, and I'm just patting the color on. I'm not blending it in. I'm just making sure to pack it on so that it's super opaque, and I'll be blending it out later with some other colors. Next, I'm taking the color Pool Party from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be placing that directly next to the Twerk color with the same brush, and I'm just going to be again patting it in to my eyelid to make sure it has its full intensity and opacity, and I'm just lightly blending it into the dark blue color, making sure that these two colors kind of make like an ombre effect. And then I'm going to go into the Stila Magnificent Metal in Diamond Dust, and I'm going to be placing that directly in the center of my lid where we have that blank space. You want this color to kind of taper off in the center, kind of looking like a triangle. If you get what I'm saying, I kind of make it a little bit larger toward my crease and bring it down more tapered toward my lash line. And then after you have that done, you're going to go in with this NYX white eyeliner, the liquid liner, and I'm just creating a decently large wing with that. To ensure that the eyeliner doesn't crack or smudge or anything, I'm just going to go over it with some white shadow just to kind of set it in place. And then I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Colossal Big Shot mascara and just apply that to my lashes. And then while I'm waiting for the glue to dry on my eyelashes, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the Makeup Revolution brow pomade. This one is in chocolate. And then I'm going to be setting my brows down with the Ulta brow gel. Now I'm just going to be lining my waterline and my tight line with the NYX retractable eye pencil in black. And then I'm going to be smudging out that liner on my waterline. I'm going to be using the color Vegas from the Carity palette to smudge that out. And then to make it a little bit darker and a little bit more sultry, I'm going to go into the color Disturbia, which is just a matte black from the Carity palette. And I'm going to be putting that as close to my waterline, or I'm sorry, my lash line as possible. Once I have the lower lash line blended out, I'm going to be putting on some mascara on my lower lashes, and then I'm going to just highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with the Balm Mary Luminizer, and I'm just using a very, very small lip brush because the brush I normally used was not clean. And then moving on to the face, there's not much to do. This look kind of just like came out of nowhere. Like I was looking through Instagram, saw that picture, loved it, wanted to recreate it, and I wasn't even going to film it, but the other eye turned out really good. So yeah, my foundation and everything was already on. I'm just touching some things up, using all of my normal things that I always use. And then I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip liner in Soft Spoken. And then for lipstick, I'm going to go into this LA Splash Liquid Lip in Ghoulish. And then after that's done, I'm just going to be setting my face with my Makeup Revolution Illuminating Fixing Spray. And after you have done all that, the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this more colorful, creative look. Like I said, I wasn't even going to film this, but I did do one eye off camera and I was like, whoa, I need to film this. I need my people to see this. So let me know if you recreate this. Also, the girl that I got the inspiration from, her stuff will be in the description bar, so make sure you go and show her some love. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And I will just see you in my next video. Bye!